Did you know that solar power has been around a lot longer than you think? The first ever solar cell was invented in France back in 1839. That is a long time ago. I don't remember it now. I'm 55 years old, which means when in the 70s I was 10 years old, 12, 15 years old, or 12 years old. And I don't even know if I heard about solar panels back then. But we have a listener question from Dolores in Norcross. It says, when she travels to other states, she sees solar panels. I go to Dallas all the time, and I see solar panels. For those of you who remember, my girlfriend's name is Tammy, and she lives in Dallas. And when I go to Dallas, I see solar panels on homes and businesses. And I wanted to answer just a few questions here. So let's talk a little bit about solar panels. Even decades after their invention, solar panels still look really space age cool, and they harness the sun's heat to provide electricity to homes. Atlanta ranked dismally low with about 64 homes per 100,000 homes outfitted with solar panels as a far cry from the top 5 cities, all located in California. There are financial and other responsibilities when buying a home with solar panels. The reality is, in Georgia, it just doesn't work from a sunlight standpoint. But let me just talk about some facts that I think you need to know. Number one, the cost of installation can be high, and if the owner was on a payment plan, it might become yours if you buy it. If they are leasing, then there might be a monthly charge that never ends. Sunlight is required, so if the location isn't ideal, there may be high electric bills in addition to what your panel produces. The size, shape, and slope of your roof are important factors to consider. Typically, solar panels perform best on south-facing roofs with a slope between 15 and 40 degrees, though other roofs may be suitable too. You should also consider the age of your roof and how long until it will need replacement. You don't want to put solar panels on and then immediately have to take them off and replace the roof. You want to check the warranty. Many solar panel manufacturers provide long warranties, 25 years or so. Check this out. They are expensive to repair or replace. And sometimes if you put solar panels on a home in Atlanta, for example, buyers may not want them, so it might be a problem. If you have considered putting solar panels on your home or would like to know whether or not your home is a candidate, it's easy. Go to sunroof.withgoogle.com. You can type in your address. I just went and typed in my address. I actually live in Johns Creek with a Duluth mailing address. And it says my roof gets 1,510 hours of usable sunlight per year. And I have 1,163 square feet available for solar panels. It says with a current electric bill of $125 a month, your roof may not be ideal for solar panels. Contact a solar provider to learn more. I'm guessing if I contacted a solar provider, it would refer me to somebody who could potentially sell me one. So anyway, that's a great site, Project Sunroof by Google.